Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 14 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.5.1 or ISO 26.5.2. So first of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can email us on our email address. After buying the unlocking file, download the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, unlocking iCloud files, but you have to buy the unlocking file. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Our service is permanent and 100% working and support all iPhone model and all iPad model. For example, I am using iPhone 14 Pro Max, also support iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, and all the other iPhone model are supported. Just we have already fast forward the video so I can easily guide you step by step. So our unlocking is already started. Congratulations, device activation successful. Our iPhone 14 Pro Max is turned on hello screen. Now you have to swipe up and select language. It will blink like 2 to 3 times, but don't worry, your iPhone is already unlocked. Select any country. Continue with the partial setup. Now do it again. One more time. Select language. Continue with partial setup. And voila, your iPhone is unlocked. iPhone 14 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.5.2 and ISO 26.5. So just you need to buy the unlocking file from us and flash your phone, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Also you can use SIM card, call data, everything will work fine. You can enter the SIM card and make some calls. Okay guys, thank you so much, take care, bye bye.